In this video, I will show you how to format your laptop on Windows 11. To get started from your desktop, what you want to do is come to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom, and in here you want to type settings, and then open up settings underneath best match. Now, once you've opened up your settings, come over to the menu on the left-hand side and click onto System. From here, what you want to do is scroll down until you see the option for Recovery. It's just a bit down the page down here. Give that a click and that's going to take you to a screen like this. Now, if you look in the Recovery option section, you're going to see an option to reset this PC. So what it's going to do is format, reset your PC and basically take it back to factory settings. At this point, just click onto the Reset PC button. What that's going to do is open a window giving you two options. So what you can do is keep your files, which means that you're going to have your apps and settings removed, but your personal files will still be kept on your computer or laptop. Or if you want to do a complete factory reset, you can select the option to remove everything. Now I'm going to select the option to remove everything. Once you've done that, it's going to ask how you would like to reinstall Windows. You've got the option between cloud or a local reinstall. So I would recommend just doing a local reinstall, which is going to reinstall Windows directly from your laptop. Next, it's going to take you to this screen, which is going to show your current settings. So if you're happy to proceed, click onto next. Then it's just going to take a minute to get everything ready. And once that's done, it's going to take you to this screen saying ready to reset this PC. So it's just going to summarize what's going to happen when you reset your PC. Of course, if you are doing this on laptop, make sure you are plugged in with your laptop and you're not just running off the battery, as it can take some time to go through and format and reset your laptop. But once you've done that and you're ready to go, just simply click onto the reset button and your laptop's going to go ahead and format your Windows 11 laptop. So that is how to format a laptop on Windows 11. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more Windows 11 and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.